So here's the tool that we're gonna send. I know it doesn't look like much. But here's we're gonna start with the lifting trolley. And we're gonna push it in. And then use it to keep the plate up. Now this isn't gonna go all the way, so you're gonna wanna take a dishwashing rack and put it there to keep that up. But anyway, to get the spring out, you gotta go up here, remove the cotter pin, and the sleeve comes down. So take the tool, it's up and out, just like that, easy as pie. Take the sleeves out, take the spring off the hook at the bottom of the plate, and then get your new spring, hook it in the plate, put the sleeve on, grab the one that fell, put it on as well. Grab the spring and put it through the hook. Now, you want to make sure that the cotter pin goes through the bracket when you put the sleeve up, like this. So pull the sleeve, put it through, and you're done. Easy.